Hi guys, so I am uploading the exact same.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I could
Garlic, salt, some Tony Creole, and some lemon pepper. Go ahead and sear your chicken titty until it's fully cooked, but in the meantime we're going to work on our dressing. Our dressing is made with hummus, but for those of you who cannot stand the taste of hummus, you can also do some lemon juice, Greek yogurt, avocado oil, coconut oil of some sort, and some variation of nuts. For example, walnuts, cashews, almonds, pine nuts, etc. But here I use half of an 8-ounce tub of hummus, about a tablespoon of olive oil, and the juice of 2 lemons. And now that we have all of our components individually prepped, we're gonna mix this shit all together. Now, I won't lie, this is a big ass salad. It's about 3-4 quarts in this bowl, but it does stay pretty fresh for 3 to 4 days. And the trick is because all of that lemon juice, lemon prevents avocados from turning brown and it keeps veggies fresh. Goodbye!